What is going on, busy bariatrics? Another big question I hear is, will insurance cover bariatric surgery and how much does it cost? The answer is yes. Most insurance plans do cover it, but only if you meet certain requirements. So let's go through what these are and what you need to prepare for. Most major companies cover bariatric surgery when it's considered medically necessary. That means you meet the BMI and health condition criteria, and your doctor documents your need for the procedure. Coverage can include the surgery itself, hospital stay, anesthesia, and even follow-up visits. But every plan is different, so it's critical to check with your insurance directly. There are some common requirements that are needed, and here are the hoops that most patients have to jump through. The first is BMI guidelines. Most need 40 or higher, or 35 with a related health condition. Second is some sort of supervised weight loss program, usually 3 to 6 months of documented visits with a doctor or a dietitian. You also need medical and psychological evaluations to make sure you're ready physically and mentally. Nutrition classes or support groups are also required before approval. If you don't complete these steps, insurance can and will deny coverage in most cases. If you're denied, it isn't always final though. So many patients win appeals by providing additional documentation or letters from their doctors. Persistence is going to be key in this one. If insurance ultimately won't cover you, self-pay options do exist, but they vary widely in cost depending on the hospital or program. For perspective, self-pay in the US can run anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000. Abroad, some programs cost less, but you need to consider safety, follow-up care, and travel. That's why most patients work through insurance, even if the approval process feels slow. The truth is, insurance doesn't make it easy. But if you're committed, meet the criteria, and stay on top of the paperwork, coverage is absolutely possible. Thousands of patients get approved every year. So if you're asking, will insurance cover bariatric surgery? The answer is usually yes, as long as you follow the process. If this gave you clarity, subscribe and check out the rest of this top 10 playlist, and let's keep getting busy.